it's Liv, and today with Biology in a Box, we are going to be identifying bird sounds. Birds are interesting creatures. We are going to be listening to bird sounds and identifying individual birds. This activity is best for age groups 3rd grade through 12th grade. The materials you will need for this activity are the bird songs that you can either use the CD and a CD player to play them, or you can play them at the website above. You will also need the picture ID guide to birds, which looks like this, and can also be found at the website above. Along with all that, you will need pencil and a paper. You're going to listen to tracks 1 and 2. You're going to listen to track 3. Commit the songs you hear into your memory. You're going to complete the practice quiz on track 4. Complete the actual quiz found on track 5. Which include track 6 through 8, which includes tracks 9 through 11. You're going to write down your answers and check them at the website above. Of track 12, which is the ending track, there's a review quiz called the Super Solver Quiz, involving all of the bird songs that we learned. Hope you have fun. Thanks for watching and have fun listening to the birds. See you next time on Biology in a Box.